have to say, like, when I saw it and I saw how many is there, like we have to divide the video, otherwise it's gonna be 100 minutes. But look at this, so gorgeous. I love the fairies. It is not easy to find fairies papers, so I'm super excited and appreciate these. Wow, I have mentioned many times that I am looking for fairy papers, that I love fairy papers, and it's not easy to find pretty or at all pretty papers or fairy papers. These are Lexi Design. I know that brand though. I think I purchased something on recently from that brand. I love these. Oh wow, look at it. Such a enchanted forest. The brand Butterfly Bliss Scrapbook Reminisce is the brand. I love this. Oh no way, I love this. This is gorgeous. Why do they put such a pretty designs on both sides? I can't understand that. Like, both of these are just phenomenal. Oh wow, like I would love to have both, not have to choose between these, you know. Oh, this is so pretty as well. This is less, okay, this is less, so I'm okay with having this one. But I mean, I love this. I mean, seriously, this is gorgeous. This is the same Reminisce. The most gorgeous scrapbook papers I have seen recently. I mean, I am speechless right now. Oh, sorry. Look at it. This is so pretty. Seriously, this is just so amazing. Oh, another, this is Wonderland Asuka Studio. I don't know the brand. This is another, like a magical paper. I mean, it's so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. I love that. I love that. Made in Australia. Paper Rose. Wow. Wow. I don't own anything of this brand. I heard about them. My friend Asha, I think, works with them or used to work or something like that. Oh, wow. I love it. And another one that's pretty. That goes together with that for embellishments. City lights. That's interesting, don't you think? That is so different. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. I love this one. Again, how to work with this, what to do with it, I don't know these days. But you know what? It is such different, such special that I would love to come up with. Oh, I love. Wait a second. There's so many gorgeousness. I've been spoiled. Thank you. I mean, I have to pause here because it's like all of these designs is something that I have been I love and wishing and sort of couldn't find. So it's wow. Thank you. Such a my style. I mean, seriously. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for knowing my taste, knowing me so very well, actually. Unbelievable, right? Oh, these are Mintai. I didn't know these are Mintai. Wow. Beautiful. I love this one. Asuka Studio. It sounds Japan. I don't know. It's made in USA, but I wonder what original brand is that. Wow, such a pretty paper. This is gorgeous background as well. I love that same brand. So pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Such a weird type of paper. This one is, wow, Ella and Viv Paper Company. It's quite shiny, but you know what? I love the idea of this paper design altogether. That's different as well. That's a beach. I don't have many beach designs either, I have to say. That is lovely. And this is so cute. Wow. That's also Asuka design. Oh, this is so beautiful. I mean, this is something I've been certainly missing in my stash. Wow. Well, these are double, I think, two of the same. Oh, oh wow. I would love to be able to make projects like this where you have alcohol ink and you're working with alcohol and you I would love this. This is gonna be on my wall as my inspiration to create such a project. I would love to create such a project. Would you like me to play with alcohol inks? I would love that. Oh, why would someone, please, why would someone put two gorgeous embellishment ideas on one paper on both sides? Like, this is wrong. I'm sorry. But such a gorgeous designs, and it's just, no. Please don't do it. Oh, this is so cute. This is Paper Rosa as well from Australia. I love these. These are so gorgeous. Do you know what? One thing I have to say, it looks like 49 Market, I must say. These designs are not original to any of these brands because you purchase these designs from artists, from stock graphics, so everyone can use them. However, these have been used previously. I have to say, I know these from 49 Market. One of their very first collection years back have been these, and I love them. I used to love them. I remember I made such a gorgeous 2 cards with these designs. They are changed, and I love the fact that they are changed because these are the most beautiful designs out there, I have to say, as in graphic wise. So it's nice to see them in different brands, and it's nothing wrong with that. 49 Market have been using them, as I have mentioned, at the very beginning of their journey. Where could that be? 4 years ago, 5 years ago? I do remember because it was such a specific style, a color scheme as well, as you can see, and it was gorgeous. So, oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. Look at them. So pretty. Again, what I love is that this is a challenge. This is gonna be a challenge, and wow, look at these on the other side. Sorry, I didn't see you. I didn't show you. Wow, this has been unbelievable because all these designs are just phenomenal. I've never seen them before. Wow, I'm speechless. I don't know this brand, Maremi. I have never seen this brand before, so that's even better to find out different brands. So thank you so much again. Oh, this is so pretty, and this is so pretty. And again, why did you put such a gorgeous 2 designs on one side, on both sides? This is lovely. Oh, no way, come on, seriously, look at it. You would use both for definite, like you would use both. Oh, come on, such a pity that these are on 2 sides. Oh, I love this. Why did you put... Come on. I'm gonna email to them. I'm gonna literally text message them that it's such a pity that they have put such a gorgeous papers on both sides. Wow. Look at it. All of it, it's so beautiful. Seriously, thank you so much. I'm just speechless because I really have not seen these before. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, I can really imagine, like my head is spinning with ideas right now. Clouds, clouds and more clouds. I love clouds, as you know. Ah, this is stunning paper. Ella and Vive, the clouds. Gorgeous. Gorgeousness, gorgeousness, totally gorgeousness. I like this, but I like this more because I much more prefer bigger than the actual pattern. I love this. I can imagine oh, look at that. Well, now I can imagine having these on the background, as the background. This is gorgeous for imagine making some gorgeous scrapbook cards. I love this. This is Minta as well, but such a pretty design. I have never seen these. Nightfall, last year's collection. I love them. Very pretty. And this one as well. Wow. Oh, look at this background. Wow, and this is so pretty as well. I love the magical feel of the papers. Totally love it. Oh, wow, wee. So pretty, so pretty. I mean, these are amazing. Oh, how in time with the new year approaching. Wow. Oh, I love this. I mean, some of them are just out of this world. Wow. Have you seen this? Am I the only one living under the rock and not seeing these designs? I mean, seriously. and not knowing this brand. Wow, we're done with the papers. I can only say thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't seen the other parts of opening, checking, please, please, please check it out. I'm gonna give you all the links below in the description box below. I've said it below, yeah. Okay, bye for now, my friends. We'll be back with creating from these absolutely gorgeousness products in the book, in the art journaling, some canvases for sure. There's more in the making. I can tell you that in the future, yeah, there are some things happening. I'm cooking some things. I can't tell you as yet, but I will be sharing soon, I promise. Exciting things, I have to say. So thank you so much. And again, Hajar, thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending me all this gorgeousness products. I must say, you know me better than I know myself, I have to say, because all of these are just so pretty. So thank you so very much, my beautiful friends. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you heard about these. If you enjoyed videos of this sort, let me know. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you very, very soon. I love you, but I have to go. Till the next time. Happy crafting, and I'll chat to you soon. Thank you again, and yeah, bye for now.